In today's video, I will show you the Binance Bucket for codes for today. So first of all, we need to access to Bucket section now by typing on the little square here. And now, as you can see, click on more services, and in the search bar, now type red. And as you can see, this is the Bucket. Now click on it. And as you can see here, wait a few seconds. Now, as you can see, click on receive. And now we can enter the first code. So the first code is, I will just uppercase this now, IHCC XGP9M. So now hit the claim button, and as you can see, this is the first code. Wait a few seconds. Now tap on open, and as you can see, we have get 0.000556 TRX. So this is the first code. Now the second code is, I'll just uppercase this, it's CW2M and 5R3 and U. As you can see, this is the second code. Now click on claim, and wait a few seconds. As you can see here, click on open, and this is the second code. As you can see, we've got 0.000359 WCT. Now the third code is, I will just uppercase this, is AGC98EMF. This is the third code. Now click on claim, and as you can see here, now just click on open, and this is the third code. We've got 0.0005,064 GPS token. So now we will enter the fourth code. The fourth code is LSS1QEYI. Now this is the fourth code. Now just click on claim. Now just wait a few seconds, as you can see here. Now click on open, and as you can see, we've got 0.000135S token. So the fifth code is V5GWLM01, and this is the fifth code. Now click on claim, and as you can see, just click on open, and this is the fifth code. We've got 0.000293 Dodge. So this is the Binance Bucket code for today. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.